When it comes to rolling out areas of the body, one particular region is not often considered, and that is the abdominal region. And this is an area that can actually create a lot of trouble throughout the body if it doesn't have the right amount of muscular tension. If there's too much or too little, it's going to throw off the ability of our spine to position itself in a really nice central place. So we've got this little dodgeball. It's inflatable. It's got a bit of give to it. It's definitely not as firm as, say, a foam roll is. And we're going to place it on the ground and have you just lie down on it, more or less right where your belly button is. You're going to start with that ball right there. And you're just going to apply some of your body weight into it. And can you relax around it so that it definitely gets some force or pressure into your midsection? Now, this may very well be surprisingly very intense for a lot of people because the viscera is not an area that gets moved around very much. So take your time with this and be gentle and look for a little bit of tender areas. Now, you don't have to try and obliterate them. You're just looking for an area that has some tenderness, and you can roll around it a little bit, anywhere between the ribs and the pelvic bowl. And you might find that there's a little bit more tenderness in one side or in one particular area compared to anywhere else. But spend a little bit of time rolling out the abdominals and then assess before and after. Walk around and see how that feels. Maybe check in with your foot pressure. Do a test for the autonomic nervous system, like a single leg balance or a toe touch or total body rotation. Did that help? Did just by giving some circulation to this area, did it make any difference? Try it out, see what happens.